Welcome to this class. My name is Cornelius Korir. I'll be teaching you principles and practice of marketing or marketing management. And therefore, I'll just take you through the introduction to marketing. Already I've shared the course outline or the syllabuses in the portal. So make sure you write the topics and the subtopics of the lesson. So in brief, what I could say is that marketing is a way of passing information to the users of the product or the good that you're going to give to these people. Now, if we define a product, we could say that it is a service or a good that you're producing. So, if, for example, in our institution, we are just selling services or offering services. So, in this case, we should have to pass the information to the users of the services that we are offering. Also, we have different types of marketing that we can use now to pass information from one place to another place. One is internet marketing, and in most cases, we find that it is all of us nowadays are using internet. So you can still use internet to market your product or to sell your product. We can also use the search engine optimization, whereby we have different browsers that you can use to get information and also to relay to the consumers of the product. We also have what we call blog marketing. In most cases, I find that the writers of the articles could be using this way to pass information to the users. So you find maybe you're writing information about someone, but you still are advertising the product of a given company. So we also have social media marketing, and this is a common way that we can use to pass information from one person to another. We also have print marketing, and in print marketing, we are talking about the passing of information using using newspapers or magazines to reach people. So I want to sell a product, I can market it through print media or print marketing. You also have some kind of videos people prepare, and maybe they can be run through the TVs and any other social place that you can get a video. So those are some of the ways in which, or the types of marketing that you can have, or ways in which you can pass information to reach the users of the product that you are selling. Then we have also the steps of marketing process, and always start from understanding the customer or the consumer needs, and also trying to ensure that this person gets exactly what he or she desires from your organization. Like for KIPS College, the only thing that you can get here is teaching services. You've been taught do an exam, pass an exam, and that is the time that we will say we've met your needs in this place. We also have the second step is deciding a customer-driven procedure, whereby what you are selling is based on what the customer requires, not what the person offering the service is having. We also have constructing an integrated marketing strategy. Now, having a strategy is just like having a tool that you can use to make your business to be successful. Then also, we need to build a profitable relationship, because when it comes to any kind of a business, it should be always a win-win situation. So, like for this case, it is the owner of the organization to win and also the customer to win, because by the end of the day, it is all about passing information. So if you want to get more of the information or more of the customers and increase the revenue, make sure that you're satisfying the needs of the customer or the client that you are having in an organization. And lastly is capturing the value of the customer. We always say that the customer is always right or the customer is right. And therefore, in this case, what the customer requires is exactly what we're supposed to follow and what we're supposed to offer in this case.